Now that we are able to flash our microcontroller, let's establish an ability to debug the microcontroller so that we can trace how the program is executing, establish breakpoints, and monitor variables and memory locations. So we will do this using GDB. GDB stands for GNU Debugger. It would also need a configuration script. So let's create one. And the GDB is going to target remote using OpenOCD. This is the configuration script we just prepared in the last video. Let's see. Wipe. Then monitor reset halt. Now let's update our make file. GDB, let's say arm none GDB Q. This is the program. Our bare STM32, the file we just created, -x gdb.cfg. Control S. Then okay, let's try if we can get inside. Right, so we are able to get into the program or in the trace mode, on the debug mode. Before that, let's review some of the GDB commands. And some of the commonly used GDB commands are N for next line, C for continue, Q for quit. We can set a breakpoint using break function name, or we can set up a breakpoint using B and the file name colon the line number. We can print a variable using P, the variable name. We can look at the contents at an address using X and the address. And we can use this /T or /X to format it to either binary or hexadecimal format. Info registers will print all the registers. Info frame will show the stack, and set address and value will update the contents in a specific memory location. So let's go through that process. So here we have next N for next command. So it's showing us where it is going. We can see this is line 28 at reset handler. And we can go for info registers. It will show the contents of all the registers. And then you can go next line. You can say continue, and it will continue to run. We can break it by pressing Ctrl C, and it's now in main.c in the while loop. So our code has successfully passed control to the main program, and it's stuck in the position where we want it to be, in the infinite loop, the while one code. So see, and then you can see I'll let it continue, and I had put a breakpoint again. It is still at while. Let's now quit Q.